Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to, we're going to be doing something with eyeshadow because I already have my base on, so I'm not going to be putting base on top of base. I know y'all don't want to sit here for about 5 minutes listening to me ramble on, so let's just get into it, shall we? So I'm going to be taking the Tarte Clay Play palette first. Let's take the shade Journey, which is right here. And I'm actually going to go ahead and mix it in with the shade Terracotta to give it a little bit of a warmer effect.
Put that in the crease. Holy mommy, that's warm.
That's warm. Scratch that. My brows. My brows are pretty good today, aren't they? I think they are. Not bad. I went light-handed today. My eyeshadow, on the other hand, no. So you know how, like, in my last video, I said that it was really freaking hot? Yeah, guess what? It's still hot, but I'm wearing jeans. I'm gonna take the shade Journey again, the one that we just put on our crease, and I'm just gonna put it on my lower lash line, you know? I'm gonna be taking the shade Stone, just right here, and I'm gonna be putting that in my outer corner to deepen up this section right here. It's not bad, but it's not good. Let's like take the shade, oh no, Solstice, and let's just go to town with that. Let's just put it on the inner bit. Yeah, that's life motto, not good, but also not bad. I want to say that I am so sorry that my videos suck and that this video sucks. Because you guys are just basically watching me like put on my eyeshadow and it's like, what are you trying to learn, you know what I'm saying? Let's just curl our eyelashes. And of course, I'm going to be using Lash Paradise. Okay, look at my eyelashes. Don't they look so cool? Okay, don't look too hard. Don't look too hard. Don't look too much. But don't they look like really cool? Love the mascara. It's a good mascara, you guys. It's good. Perfect. Let's set our face, shall we? We don't look bad, but we also don't look good. Alright, I'm really sorry that this video sucks and that I didn't talk a lot. And it's probably going to be like 3 or so less minutes. But if you guys did enjoy it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, please. I'm like kind of begging you. Also leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, please. I'll probably see you guys next time. Probably. Yeah. Maybe. Bye guys.